Let's thread my Juki DX7. I'm using all-purpose thread here, and I'm placing it on the spool holder. Then I'll place the spool cap on. This will keep my thread in place. First, we're going to thread our bobbin. I'm using the guide, and I'm getting it under that tension disc right there. It's very important that you do that. This is a bobbin, and I like to thread it through what I call the two walls, between the two walls of the bobbin and out that little hole. I'm going to thread it there, place it on the bobbin winder, and then push this over, and that is going to engage the bobbin. I don't need to step on the pedal. It will stop automatically. I just simply cut it. Now I'll set my bobbin aside. Let's thread the top thread. We're going to use the guide, we're going to bring it over, and all these guides are numbered. I'm going down, back up, making that little U-turn. This is the take-up lever. I'm making sure my thread is in there. And then we're going to go down, and I'm going to go behind that guide bar right there. It's very important you don't miss that. Then I'm going to use the automatic threader to thread my needle. I actually really love this feature because it's so easy to use and for me to thread my machine now. So I just pulled that loop, and now my needle is threaded. I'm going to place the bobbin in the bobbin case. You always want to make sure the bobbin is winding counterclockwise. So I'm placing it in, using the guides there to make sure I am guiding the thread through correctly. And I am guiding it over and then placing the bobbin cap back on. I grab the thread, the top thread, and then I use my hand wheel to bring the needle down, back up completely to get the bobbin thread out. And then I pull it over to the side, put everything under the presser foot, and now I am ready to sew. This sewing machine came from Sewing Parts Online, and I'm super happy with the purchase I made.